Okay, so welcome to another video. We look at this physics question paper where I have this question number 2 here, which says a student is asked to find the density of a small block of metal as shown in this figure. All right, so now, so we can say the length, the width, and the height. Use words from the list below to complete the following sentences: balance, beaker, graduated cylinder, protractor, loo, and thermometer. So these are the words that we need to complete these two sentences. Clear, right? Number 1, the student should use a dash to measure the length, the width, and the height of a block. Which one are we going to use among the ones given here? In fact, they are going to use a rule. All right, so we're going to use a rule. The student should use a dash to find the mass of the metal block. So we are going to use a balance to find the mass. Question B, a jeweler has a small block of metal. The block has a mass of 15.2 grams and a volume of 1.36 cubic centimeters. Calculate the density of the metal. So step 1, we know that density is given by mass. We divide by volume, right? And we can say density, let density be this one. So the mass is 15.2 grams and the volume is 1.36 cubic centimeters. Please don't forget units. Okay. All right, so divide, sorry about that. So if we divide here, myself, if I punch on my calculator, I'm getting 11.2 grams. I'll just leave it to one decimal place, by the way, cubic centimeters. So I'll come here and I'm going to report my density and 11.2, just like that, and you are done. Are we together? All right, next. The jeweler looks up the values for the density of various metals and produces a table, part of which is shown below. You can see, right? So there's a metal here and the density. So the question is, using your answer to B1, this answer here that we found here, hey, what am I right? This answer that we found here as density, and the information in the table, and this information here in the table, state which metal the block is most likely to be made from. Look at the density 11.2. All what you need to do is check which one is closer to 11.2, which is 11.3. And what does 11.3 tell us? It is lead. So it is what? Lead. Done. Question 3. In the columns below are physical quantities and the units in which they are measured. Draw a line from each quantity to its corresponding unit. One line is drawn for you. So speed, the units are meters per second. What about energy? Energy, we use joules, so a straight line like that. What about resistance? Resistance, we use an ohm. We use ohm. What else? Temperature, we use Celsius. In case there's no Kelvins, we use Celsius. Yeah, we are done. So, thank you so much for following me in this video. We can answer as many questions as possible, but the rest we do them in our online classes. You can register and be part of those classes if you want to revise more. ECZ, Cambridge, we do all those. So thank you so much.